Ever wondered how to add official visual markers to your documents in DocuSign? Today, we're diving into the powerful, but often overlooked feature DocuSign stamps. Think of these as your digital signature's helpful sidekick, bringing clarity and official status to your documents. So, what exactly is a stamp in DocuSign? Essentially, it's a predefined or custom image that you can place on a document to signify a specific action or approval. It's a visual cue that tells everyone involved exactly what has happened to that document. They're fantastic for marking progress, indicating that a document has been reviewed, approved, received, or even rejected. This visual confirmation drastically reduces ambiguity and speeds up your entire document workflow. Let's see how you can use them when you're preparing a DocuSign envelope. You'll find the Stamps option readily available in the left-hand toolbar. Just click on it to reveal a library of standard stamps. Simply select the stamp you need and drag it directly onto the relevant section of your document. For instance, if a document needs to be officially approved, you can select the Approved stamp and place it right where it's needed. DocuSign provides common stamps like Approved, Received, Reviewed, and Declined. Each stamp is designed to be easily recognizable, adding that extra layer of official communication. But what if the standard options aren't enough? DocuSign also allows you to create custom stamps. This is incredibly useful for specific internal processes or for branding. You can upload your own image, think of a company logo, or a unique approval symbol, and assign it a name. This custom stamp then becomes available to you and your team within DocuSign, fitting perfectly into your unique workflow. By strategically using DocuSign stamps, you add undeniable clarity and a professional, official touch to every document you send, ensuring everyone understands the status and actions taken. Embrace stamps to streamline your document approvals and keep your workflow moving forward.